Hey, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect to Wi-Fi and install the HP Smart app and use the app to connect to Wi-Fi on the HP Smart Tank 5000 model. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now, to download the HP Smart app, you can simply scan the QR code that is on the user manual, or you can simply look up the app using your app store, whether you're using Android or an iPhone. Once the HP Smart app is downloaded, we are quickly going to add your first printer, and you're going to click on New Printer. It's going to begin searching for your printer, and we're simply going to wait for the next prompt, which is going to ask you whether you want to connect to Wi-Fi or with an Ethernet cable. We're going to select Wi-Fi. Then you're going to press Continue, Allow, and that will allow you to be basically connected with Bluetooth to the printer. You're going to select the printer, then you're going to select your Wi-Fi network. You're going to input your Wi-Fi password. These are all the prompts that you should be going through up until this point and until the point where it says connect to Wi-Fi. At this point, you will have to press the information button, and that's simply so that the phone can register that the printer is actually within the vicinity where you can actually connect to Wi-Fi. Once you are done pressing the information button, you should be further along in the connecting to Wi-Fi process, and you should be finalizing the connections. Once this connection is established, the app is going to prompt you to go into your settings, select privacy, select location, and you're going to want to allow the location to be visible when you're using the HP Smart app with the HP Smart Tank 5000 model. Once you've done that and you are going back to the app, it's going to allow you to be fully connected to Wi-Fi. You have finalized the process, and now you can click Accept All. Once you hit Accept All, you're going to click Allow. And then you're going to get to the point where you're actually going to be able to create an HP account. You can decide whether or not you do that. You can skip that like I did. There's some other questions that they're going to ask you. You can answer those however you'd like. And now you're going to get to the point where you print off this page. This is basically a test page. Once you have gotten to this point, that means that your phone, your smartphone, is totally connected to your printer, and you can begin printing basically anything, scanning, doing all kinds of things that are available on the app with the printer. So once you're done with that, we're going to be prompted to send a link to other devices. You can do that if you'd like. Now we are totally connected to the HP Smart app. So that's really all it takes to connect the HP Smart app and Wi-Fi to your HP Smart Tank 5000. I hope this video ended up being helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.